Alright, I'm going to show you how to play Pick Up the Phone by Travis Scott and Young Thug. So first thing we're going to do is the right hand. Alright, so we're going to play two notes here. G and B flat. We're going to play those two together. Then the next one is A and C together. Alright, so we're going G and B flat to A and C. Then we're going to go to B flat and D. Right, so that, right? And then the last one we're going to do is C and E flat. So all of those together. Alright, and then after you do that, right? So do that a few times, practice that so that gets easier. Then after that, you're going to have to jump down here, play three notes at a time. E flat, G, and B flat. Alright, so next one you come to is this one right here, D, F sharp, and A, right? So nice D major chord. Then after you play that chord once, the only thing you're going to add to it is just add another note on top, right? So if you're playing it like this, then you're just going to add your pinky on top for a D there. So and then finally, the last thing you do is you're going to come down here and play C, F sharp, and A. So this is actually very close to that D major chord of D, F sharp, and A. You're just going to bring the D down to a C though. Alright, so all together. Just like that. And if you want to make it sound really cool, add basically whatever bottom, the lower note you're doing, right? So if you're doing G and B flat, play G in your left hand. If you're playing A and C, play A in your left hand. If you're playing B flat and D, right, just use the bottom note here and just double it up in the left hand. And if you can, do octaves, right, and it'll sound like this. Sound really cool. That's how you play Pick Up the Phone by Travis Scott.